we have a stud. So I'm on site, got my Walabot. So I'm about to do this wall here. I'm going to start marking it out to see where all the studs are so I know where I can put my fixings. Cable there. So I'm going to put a C. And we have a stud. We've got another cable. And then we've got another stud. Luckily we have found out where our studs are on the wall, and where our unit is finishing we should hit a stud. So all fitted with using the Walabot. We've got quick fixings to the wall. But yeah, handy little tool, that Walabot.